Axie limitlessness is a low-position coin with the ticker Axie that generally has a current worth of $4.40 and a market capitalization of $622,374,623 in an unpretentious manner. Digital currencies in a real sense have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in an unpretentious way. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Some essentially huge venture banks in any event, in every practical sense, secure Axie limitlessness and really other cryptographic forms of money all at once to especially safeguard their resources under administration, against the running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul expectation of the advancements on the Axie market that depend on the readings of our fundamentally remarkable crypto unpredictability file that by and large assists us with measuring the market opinion and sort of expect where and which the market means to go. At this point, the cost of Axie endlessness certainly is $4.40, while the coin as of now explicitly winds up at 51st spot in the extremely by and large sort of positioning. The expressed sort of positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that explicitly is duplicated by its certainly current market capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients in a real sense get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which certainly is very huge. It's likewise critical to for the most part consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. On September 21st, the cost of Axie boundlessness truly was at $4.55. Toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 0.42% in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on September 15th, Axie basically was esteemed at $4.74, which basically intends that from that point forward, the value sort of has commonly changed by 0% in a quite enormous manner. A month prior, on August 22nd, the market member laid out the cost of Axie vastness at $4.89. Thusly, the coin has made a 9.99% move to arrive at its genuinely present standings basically. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Axie limitlessness isn't the main sort of factor that we especially consider while making the cost forecast. It means a lot to watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to generally have a very clear perspective on where the market for the most part is going, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The examination of market capitalization for the most part conveys really equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology in a real sense is utilized to decide the extremely in general position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which sort of is very huge. Changes in market capitalization sort of sure or negative really are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resources certainly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both exceptionally short and kind of long haul viewpoints, which most certainly is very critical. This in every practical sense, specific extremely metric for the most part is additionally used to measure the predominance of Axie vastness. According to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of Axie, we actually increase the flowing inventory, the boundary that will in every practical sense be certainly made sense of later by the kind of present worth of the digital currency under audit, which is genuinely critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Axie endlessness generally remains at $622,374,623, which frames the reason for present in every way that really matters. Positioning explicitly was referenced before. Yesterday, on September 21st, Axie most certainly had a market capitalization of $641,167,727 in a kind of significant manner. Keep going week, on September 15th, The market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $667,696,206 in a sort of significant manner. A month prior, on August 22, the market worth of Axie vastness was surveyed to be $689,237,508. Complete inventory considers the quantity of coins that certainly have previously been delivered by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can, in every practical sense, be utilized either for extremely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets, or with caretakers in an unpretentious manner. This fundamentally metric additionally considers the coins that generally have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which for the most part is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the complete inventory of Axie limitlessness for the most part is laid out at 270,000,000 axes, which by and large is genuinely huge. Finally, the circling supply really is utilized to compute the market capitalization and most certainly evaluate the coin's fundamentally current remaining in the positions, which basically is very critical. It signifies the general measure of axes that truly is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in every practical sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly truly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large generally accepted that digital currencies that certainly have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million in every practical sense are the most reasonable for extremely long-haul venture, since they in a real sense are probably going to see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in a significant manner. At this crossroads, Axie vastness basically has a flowing stock of 141,295,643 coins in an unpretentious manner. Likewise, kind of high exchanging volume as a rule exhibits that the liquidity in every practical sense is streaming into that market, which shows the general revenue in the digital currencies and guarantees smooth execution of exchanges a major way. In any case, it should explicitly be noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that especially reasonable for making especially long-haul cost expectations. However, it ordinarily gives significant knowledge into the truly current market circumstance. In this way, truly is urgent for short and mid-term cost conjectures, for the most part done by our genuinely exclusive calculation in a significant manner, and in every practical sense, brilliant digital money financial backer mustn't dismiss this truly metric while picking section or leave point. The guideline here sort of is to get into the activity when the volume in a real sense begins to rise, when the value sort of is pushing out of the union region and sort of forsake the boat. Once the volume starts to drop after a significant meeting, or so they sort of thought, it's even genuinely better assuming those cost moves basically occur in the areas that by and large match with generally fundamentally high volume, which are normally shown through tall bars on the in every practical sense relating marker that is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals, or so they essentially thought. Taking care of that, we should survey the exchanging volume recorded on the Axie